I have heard the allegations made by Birozi Sinha, but I say that I never appeared for any CPIM leaders, including Badal Chaudhary, involved in any corruption case. I never defended any leaders of CPIM in any criminal case. But I always fought for Congress, and I have appeared hundreds of cases in which Congress workers were involved, and I defended them. Everybody knows there was a murder of CPIM persons at Bichchandramanu, South Tripura, in which 13 persons, that is of Congress workers, were convicted and sentenced to suffer RI by the learned Session Judge Udaipur for committing murder of those CPIM workers. Thereafter, I appeared for them before the Honorable Guwahati High Court against the judgment passed by the learned Session Judge convicting them to suffer RI for life. And ultimately, they are released from the jail, and against the said order and judgment, left-front government preferred SLB before the Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to uphold the judgment passed by the Honorable Guwahati High Court. Another incident, I am mentioning some of the important cases in which CPIM left-front government wanted to convict the leaders of the Congress, in which I was a defense lawyer. Another case, Bimal Sinha, a sitting minister of left-front government cabinet, was murdered during daytime at Mechuria, in which 21 Congress persons were charged for committing murder of Bimal Sinha. I have appeared as a defense lawyer along with my juniors for years together, and tirelessly I fought for them. And they were in such a miserable conditions, they had to spend their night at TRTC complex as they had no money in their hand to stay in any hotel. But ultimately, they were acquitted by the learned Session Judge West Tripura, and thereafter left-front government again preferred appeal before the Honorable Guwahati High Court against the said order of acquittal. In that case also I have appeared on behalf of those Congress persons, leaders who were acquitted from the charge of murder of Bimal Sinha. And in that case also, ultimately, judgment passed by the Honorable High Court, Honorable Session Judge, was upheld. And in another case, that is of Birozi Sinha, in which he was involved for committing murder, I have appeared as his defense counsel along with my 6 juniors, and I had to stay at Koleshwar for at least 7 years from time to time to defend him. Ultimately, he was acquitted from the charge of murder. Thereafter, left-front government preferred appeal before the High Court. In that case also, I was engaged to defend him along with my juniors. I argued before this High Court, and ultimately judgment passed by the learned Session Judge acquitting him from the charge of murder was upheld. But when he was in jail, I have gone to Supreme Court and Salman Khurshid, learned senior advocate, was his lawyer to defend him in a case in which he was convicted for keeping bullets unauthorizedly, and in that case also ultimately sentence imposed by the learned session judge as well as by High Court, that is sentence for 3 months was reduced for 1 month, and ultimately he was released from them. In this way, if I want to say the number of cases, it will take few hours. But I do not know whether he is aggrieved for the case in which I have appeared in a public litigation case, which was one of the biggest corruption case during the left front government, that is Bardhaman Pharma case. That agency was from Himachal Pradesh. He had no criteria, no eligibility to get the contract, but most illegally, for illegal benefit, that Bardhaman Pharma was favored with the supply of medicines, and that recommendations were made by some officers for passing order in his paper supply order, but ultimately it was found that medicines supplied by Bardhaman Pharma all are spurious, which amounts to poison. But the officers who were involved in the process, it was their duty before supplying the medicines to the hospital for consumption, they are to be satisfied that those drugs are not spurious. But for the reasons known to them, that was not done. And that was a big corruption. For that case, I was appearing in a public litigation case in which I wanted to punish the culprits. I means my petitioner wanted to punish the culprits. That is, petition was filed by them, that is Ashok Sinha, who was in Congress and a spokesperson of the Congress. I have argued for them before the High Court. Initially, petition was filed before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court transferred the petition to the Gaudiya High Court, in which I have appeared. I do not know Biroji Sinha was or is aggrieved for that case in which I appeared, as I thought that that is a big corruption case by the left front government, so they should be punished. I don't like to and he made allegations also. I have connection with 3 ministers of BJP. What type of connection? If he can prove that allegation that I have obtained any favor or tried to get any favor from any BJP minister, again I am telling that I shall quit even my profession also. Though I was reluctant to react to the comments made by the persons like Biroji Sinha, everybody knows regarding my honesty, integrity in politics and profession, what have I earned, That is through my legal profession. I am not doing politics. I am not in Congress for my personal gain. I am in Congress from my student life. I fought for it. And I had to jail. I had to go to jail. I have to be detained in jail. And sometimes in the year of 1978, in Central Jail, I was in jail for about 14 days also. So my whole career will show that I did not use the Congress for my personal gain. This is, I have been given the charge of presidentship as desired by our Honorable President Mrs. Sonia Gandhi. So long she desires, I shall continue and I shall try tirelessly to make this Congress stronger here, even if I am not allowed, if I am not, suppose I am not a Congress president at any point of time, but I shall remain in Congress, I shall serve the Congress, I shall not do anything which can harm the Congress, and I shall not make any such statement which is damaging to the Congress.